that I'm selling. Many comments I get, and I tell them like no. Even back home in India, I'm from the southern part of India. But these they are born here. They have American and Canadian. So
Where are the two pigeons we released?
Should be someone
they're flying around. Wafa, take the video.
What did we land? Oh, there they go.
Ali, hold it. There we go. I'll hold that one. Give me that. That's okay. It'll just dust. Look at this.
Let go of my brother. Let go of my brother.
See? So cute. Do you like it? Ah.
Manny got good birds
This
too.
one is not
Oh
coming
yes,
down.
he's
He got a
giving me.
lot. He have a lot. He got like 400, I think.
Yeah, he's giving me 4 babies for free, and 2 of them are from
Stick about.
Janardan.
Oh, Arden.
Yarden.
Nice,
Yeah.
Arden is good.
For distance, right?
Hello.
But I'm not into like this is my first year, so for 2 years,
Yeah.
I will just keep birds and
Watch
let
out,
them
don't
fly,
do fast moving.
and I want to keep few only, just like you,
Yeah.
2-3 pairs. Not
Yeah.
Watch out.
It's hard to be.
Yeah, because you don't want to have a mixed birds. You know what I mean? Like mix with this one because a lot of them, Manny he's mostly mixed with Arden with like it's like 10. It's already you need to keep the
Same
pure.
bloodline,
Yeah.
No, that's his wish, right?
Yeah, and then once in a while you put one, right?
I
You
want
know?
to build something like this. Do you know somebody who can build like this? A small cage for me? I'll pay him.
I don't know anybody right. I know